Hey everybody, my name is Mike Fixicardi. Now if you've been following along, you know just how filthy this interior is. And today is the day we are going to remove the carpet and give it a deep clean and power wash. As you can see, I just cannot live with myself leaving this carpet in and cleaning it on the inside because underneath it is a ton of dirt. And the hairs will not come out, so it has to be blasted with the power washer. So I'm going to show you how to take this carpet out. Hopefully it goes smoothly, and once it's all done, it'll be disinfected and nice and clean. So without further ado, let's go. So there is a screw under this opener for your gas cap. Little Phillips head screw down there. You take that out first. And we should be able to pop this off. Yep. Oh, man. Mold, dirt, hair. There are a couple of screws behind here. That right there. Let's see, which ones open up? Pull that one out. Pull that one out. Okay. So now that frees up this area. Okay, we're making progress here. Up here is a Phillips, like a large Phillips head. Yeah, it just pulls right out. I don't understand why this doesn't do anything. I don't know. It doesn't do nothing. I don't know. So that stays there. There's another one back there. Pull that out. All right, there we go. There's that one. Okay, making some progress here, guys. Alright, not so bad. Let's get the other side. This is exactly why it's coming out. Look underneath it. So there's one pop clip here. There's another one, another Phillips one. I mean, a flathead one. I'm gonna say this one's not doing anything either. Maybe it is. Okay, this one actually spins. I don't know. I don't know, guys. It's like they just put whatever they felt like. Like, you know what? We'll use this one. Flathead on that side. It actually does something. And then on the we'll put it like a random clip here. Like, what the hell with these clips? Okay, this is a screw one also. I mean, you never know. It's just like a draw of the bag here. That one's a screw one. Whatever. Let's get this off. Up here, what do we got? Anything? Nothing. Surprising. And then someone decided not to put anything up here. Wow, that's dirty. This hose. Okay, so that's coming out. Oh, wow. Now, this is another thing. I got to take this whole blower motor out. Look at how dirty it is. There's even a little rust on that bolt on the inside of the blower motor. Okay, then let's get to the back. So they have these white tabs. This holds your back seats in, and there really is these don't come out. I don't know. So what we're just gonna do, we're just gonna stretch it. That's all we can do, you know. Use a flat head to get in here. Okay, let's push this tab in. There it is. Okay, so there's a tab in the center there. Push on that tab in the center. Pull these two out, and then we should be able to stretch this carpet over. Alright. You might tear it a little bit, but honestly, these don't come out. I don't know. If there's a way to get those out, please leave a comment in the comment section. Next, move this clip. Oh wow. I didn't mean to pull that whole thing out, but we'll put this back. Once it's out, we'll put that back, because that's covering a safety sensor here. Oops. Oops. So I'm gonna lay this side. Carpet's out, and this is exactly why it came out, because this car was never going to smell good, even if I just cleaned the surface of the carpet. I mean, just look at all the dirt that's underneath the carpet. It's just, it had to come out. Oh well. Let's say I'm really getting in touch with this STI. But, yeah, alright, so. Disgusting. Alright. Now let's move on to blasting that carpet. brush and the Tornador at the same time really helped to blow away all of these hairs that were just intertwined in this carpet. So this was a very effective method to get rid of these hairs. Carpet required another round of shampooing because it was still dirty and there was still mud coming out of it every single time I rinsed it. So this is definitely one of the last ones I do before the carpet finally rinses out clean. And one more for good luck. Well guys, that's it for today. That's a hell of a lot of scrubbing for these carpets, but getting a new set is expensive, so at this point I am fully invested in saving these carpets. I'm gonna let them air dry overnight. I'll probably be able to blow out any of the stragglers left over, any of those hairs that are still there, but the majority of them are gone. Yeah, I know it doesn't really come across on camera. What can I say, guys? That was exhausting cleaning those carpets over and over and over again, but it had to be done, and I'm happy to say the results were excellent. You'll have to stay tuned to see how they turned out fully, but like I said, they came out beautiful. So if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss an episode, and you could stay followed on this rebuild of my Subaru STI. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.